It's Kelly. I am the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide. What? Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I'm Kelly. I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia, and you can check out all the crazy stuff that we do, and today no exception. So of course I'm a little bit addicted to TikTok at the moment and all the cleaning and things like that. So today I thought we would try one of the things that's going viral right now, which is stripping laundry. And you know, the whole there's this funny thing at the moment going, if we're clean when we get out of a shower and we dry ourselves with the towel and then the towel's now dirty, how does that work? And I'm like, but I thought that, you know, I would just go straight to the top of the horrible chart and strip my gym clothes because, yes, I teach 6 Zumba classes a week at the moment. I do covers for other people, so sometimes I can do up to 10. When I was a student in other people's classes, I would do about 11. So, yes, I love it. I'm addicted. But yes, I thought I'd strip everything, and so I have my bathtub because that's the biggest sink that I have, but I have a lot of clothes as well. So I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you the things that we have and what we're going to do. And yes, in a couple of hours, like 6 I think it said, we will see what is in there. All right, let's go. Okay, so they say that you need to start with the hottest water possible in your bathtub, and so I've put it on 55, and I've just got this Napicare Plus that I had. It was only about half a cup left, so I'm just using that. I've just put some hot water into it to dissolve it because I know that previously people say they have grains left over on the bottom of the bathtub if they don't mix it all well together, so I thought that I would do that. And then I'm also going to just put in some laundry liquid as well, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So yeah, just chucking all of my clothes in there. I didn't realize I had so many. I threw everything in there: jackets, bras, crop tops, pants, t-shirts, etc, etc. And then I started using a spoon to push it down and mix it all around because that's what everyone else was doing. And I got frustrated, so I just decided to stick my hands in there. And then I figured I could give it a pretty good mix around. The water was quite hot, but not really boiling because being such a big tub, it cools down pretty quickly. So yeah, we're going to leave this for a couple of hours and come back and check it. Alright, this has been 2 hours that we're just checking this. And then it's just a high shot. The lighting is not all the great in the bathroom, so it probably looks worse than what it is, but oh well, it looks good for effects anyway.
Got soup.
So it's time to pull the clothing out, and you need to squeeze each piece. It actually is amazing at how much water each piece of clothing seems to have soaked up. So it took quite a bit of effort to squeeze it all out. You want to take the clothes out and squeeze them and then empty the water in the bathtub, and then that way it kind of drains freely. But then also you get to watch the satisfying thing of all the water draining and then seeing all the dirt that's left over. Otherwise, if you leave your clothes in when you're draining, it all catches as it's going. So yeah, I was surprised there wasn't more dirt in the bottom of the tub when I finished, but yeah, overall. So now it's time to wash them in a washing cycle, just normal water, because there's still a lot of soap and everything else. But I was surprised that washing this in the washing machine, the water was coming out pretty clear, so I've done a good job of stripping. So there you go guys, that is clothes stripping just of my gym clothes. I ran out of the nappy wash. Just got it here for you guys. So it was just the Coles brand, I've had this in the cupboard for ages. I know that online they say to use borax, and there's someone else said baking soda or something. I just went with this because I figured it being a whitening agent, it would help. I didn't have any borax and I didn't want to go to the shop just to buy that, so I figured, why not? I will use what I have, and you know what, at worst it won't work and I'll say great, so now we can try the real thing. So that's what experimental things are all about in my house. And also I'm being frugal, using what we have, so I'm sure that anything would have worked, especially with my gym clothes. So yeah, so I found that naturally, with it being a whitener, of course my pants are a lot whiter than what they were, and they feel a lot softer as well, which I know sounds weird. A lot of the black pants and shirts that I have as well, same thing, they're a lot softer. And then the sports bras that I wear on the lining and stuff, they're a lot cleaner as well. I mean, they're gonna be clean because you wash them, but also I don't have the best sense of smell, but they don't smell musty. I can smell a little bit of must previously, and sometimes even with washing them, they always don't seem to come out cleaned. But that's gym clothes. Any person who's a gymmer will say to you, yeah, sometimes once the smell gets into the clothes, it's just terrible. So yeah, they say to strip every sort of 6 months. So yeah, I might do it again after Christmas, because now from sort of October to December, it'll be a big bout of classes. And then when we have the Christmas downtime, I might strip again. Actually, that'll be interesting. So I'll strip, I'll strip my clothing in the bath, and then I'll show you guys the results of that. So yeah, as they say, most of it is just like the fabric softener and laundry liquid build up and all the rest of it. It would be sweat and everything else, but you know what, so be it. I've watched quite a few other YouTubers that say, I want to have black water, and then I've done it and gone, no you don't. And this video nearly wasn't going to make it up because I'm like, that's nasty. Like that water was not good. But you know what, thing that I forgot to say in the over, when you're squeezing the clothes, they'll feel like really slimy and really like soapy and everything else. Put them in the washing machine and just run it on a water cycle, and then it will self-clean. You don't need any more soap because it's already all in there. And then yeah, if you can see the water coming out, watch that. It was a little bit brown just to start with, but by the time the second wash went through, it was clear, so I was really happy. And as I said, the clothes look really, and they feel really great as well. So yeah, so that's an experiment. As I said, I've seen it online and I thought, yeah, why not? Something a bit of fun. If you have done laundry stripping before, let me know in the comments below, or if you're keen to try it. I'm keen to try it with the towels. As I said, like people say all the time, you know, if you're clean and use a towel, now it's dirty. I'm like, yeah. So it will be interesting if I do the black towels, because those towels that we have in this house, oh, they shred, and yeah, I can't. After 2 years, I'm frustrated with the towels that we've got. They are just cheapies from Kmart, but still, yeah, we've had other towels and they don't annoy us as much, but I'm still going to wash and strip them, and then they're clean, but then they're probably going to go in the cupboard for emergency towels. I'm going to get some new ones. So I am now just in that habit. I want to strip everything, and bedding will be the next thing as well. So I will make sure that I have double sets of bedding, because yeah, you do need 6 to 8 hours, and then wash it and then dry it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I so appreciate your time. Please give this video a thumbs up. As I said, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've tried this. I do love watching them on YouTube, and people are eh! Their comments, they're so funny. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.